Three best ways to get Spotify Premium for free. So if you want to go ahead and get yourself Spotify Premium for free, these are the three best ways. So first and foremost, if you have a new account or you create a new account, you get premium totally free for $0 for 3 whole months. Okay, so you can obviously go ahead and get that offer. Try 3 months for $0. Okay, that's one way. The second way is through Microsoft Rewards. Okay, so if you're a Microsoft veteran that has been using Microsoft and its softwares and its capabilities for a while, then this can work pretty well for you as well. Okay, so you have Microsoft Rewards where you can get up to 3 months for free on Spotify. So right over here, you can run up Spotify for yourself, and accordingly, you can start enjoying premium totally for free. And then finally, you have Spotify Family, which is Spotify's family account where, someone else in your family might be paying for your Spotify, but you can use it totally for free. And Spotify actually allows that and lets you do so. So, yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. So, thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.